Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I will like to explain to you the way how to work with Google Documents and the way how to add or create a table for your documents on a Google Doc. So the first thing you have to do is just open your Google Doc. You just need to open this application. You can just find that from the app library and just type docs on it, and then you just need to click it to open it. And here there will be pop up several documents that you have on your Google account, and then you just need to go click one of them, and here is the article that I just created. And if you want to edit these articles, you just need to go click this pencils button on the down side on the right part, and you need to place the cursor into the specific area that you want to create the table. So you just need to go click it, tap it, and the next thing you need to do is just go click this plus button over here, and then you just need to go click this table, and then you just need to adjust how many columns that you want to have and how many rows that you want to have too. And the next thing you need to do is just go click insert table, and now you already got this table. You just need to add the information that you want to have on this table. So let's say here I would like to type the e-bike, and the other one is the conventional motorcycle, or I would like to type the motors. And then you can also adjusting the format. Okay, go click this part, and you just need to find the paragraph to make it center, and so on and so on. And then you just need to add more information on for the next rows right here, here, and anywhere. So that is the way how to create the tables on your articles on the Google Docs. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching guys, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.